the world of construction, beyond the dust and noise, there lies a mesmerizing ballet of machinery. These mechanical wonders don't just construct structures. They create a symphony of movements that can enthrall anyone who watches. From the smooth glide of a tower crane to the rhythmic pounding of a road roller, these machines turn raw materials into architectural masterpieces. Let's take a look at the top 7 most satisfying construction machines at work, where engineering meets artistry in the most unexpected ways. First on our list at number 7 is Maston Broke CT12 Trencher. If you've ever watched a machine peel through soil like it's slicing a birthday cake, you've probably seen something like the Maston Broke CT12 Trencher in action. But don't let its slow crawl fool you. This beast is a precision powerhouse. Specifically designed for laying drainage systems and utility lines, the CT12 is a chain trencher. That means instead of drilling or scooping, it moves like a giant chainsaw, carving perfectly neat trenches into the earth. What's so oddly satisfying about it? Well, the CT12 doesn't just dig, it shapes. You see it glide forward, and behind it, the ground transforms into these clean, uniform channels. No flying dirt, no chaos, just clean, controlled cutting. It's like the earth is being unzipped. Farmers love it, so do civil engineers. But what really grabs you is how calm and controlled the process looks. There's a rhythm to it. The chain churns, the soil lifts and drops onto a tidy conveyor belt, and the trench is left behind, smooth and exact like it was drawn with a ruler. You can literally watch progress in real time, inch by inch. Whether it's creating irrigation systems on vast farmland or laying fiber optic cables underground, the Maston Broke CT12 makes destruction look like craftsmanship. It's the kind of machine that reminds you that construction isn't always about brute force. Sometimes it's about finesse. And watching that trench open up, one precise foot at a time, that's mechanical therapy. Caterpillar 395 Hydraulic Excavator. Next up is the Caterpillar 395, a hydraulic excavator so massive it looks like it belongs in a Transformer movie. But more than its strength, this 100-ton giant's grace in operation is what makes it so enjoyable to watch. It is comparable to watching a heavyweight boxer perform ballet. The 395 is a crawler excavator, which means that rather than wheels, it travels on broad, tank-like tracks. Even on uneven or muddy terrain, this provides unparalleled stability. However, it is the hydraulic boom and arm that truly steals the show. It moves like a spoon through ice cream when that bucket dips into a pile of dirt or debris. Avoid jerking, no exertion, simple, deliberate movement. The cycle time of this machine, the fluid synchronization of dig, lift, swing, and dump, is among its most captivating features. It's similar to watching a dance performance, a huge mudslinging dance. The Caterpillar 395 doesn't just scoop, it devours with a reach of more than 35 feet and a digging depth of more than 25 feet. It is frequently observed at large construction sites, such as deep urban excavations, bridge foundations, and dam projects. But the rhythm is the same regardless of the job. It's big, it's strong, however it's calming to watch in some way, similar to a steel and hydraulic symphony. Wirtgen W210 FI cold milling machine. Now here's a machine that doesn't just rip up roads, it shaves them. The Wirtgen W210 FI is a cold milling machine, and it's like a dermatologist for asphalt. Its job? Strip away the old, tired surface of roads and leave behind a smooth, clean canvas for fresh paving. The clean, surgical nature of this machine is strangely satisfying. The W210 FI mills instead of destroying. A revolving drum lined with sharp cutting teeth sits beneath its enormous body. That drum spins quickly as the machine moves forward, removing asphalt layers like a cheese grater with superpowers. And it's accurate. If necessary, operators can adjust it to grind deeper or remove only a few centimeters. The milled asphalt is immediately lifted by a conveyor belt system and placed into a dump truck that is driving by. Not a cloud of dust, not a mess, just one clean, continuous process. You might think watching a machine eat a road would be chaotic, but it's actually the opposite. It's hypnotic. The W210 FI carves straight lines, leaves no scraps, and moves with this steady mechanical heartbeat that's almost calming. It's like watching a giant eraser wipe the slate clean, making way for smoother, safer roads, and it does it with style. Great All XL 4300V. If you've never seen a Great All XL 4300V at work, you're in for a treat. This isn't your average excavator. This is the Michelangelo of roadside construction. The XL 4300V is known as a wheeled excavator with a telescoping boom, and that boom is its superpower. While most excavators have a typical up and down digging motion, the Great All has a tilting, extendable boom that moves almost like a human arm. That gives it the kind of control you don't usually see in machines this size. It can reach out, dig, level, and shape with incredible precision. But what really makes it satisfying to watch is how clean it works. When this machine is grading ditches along highways or shaping embankments, the bucket glides across the dirt like a painter's brush on canvas. Every pass is smooth, every motion is deliberate. There's something almost meditative about it. And because it runs on rubber tires instead of tracks, the XL 4300V can move quickly from one spot to the next. It's versatile, mobile, and unbelievably accurate for its size. You'll see it working on road shoulders, drainage projects, or even disaster recovery zones, shaping land and clearing debris like a sculptor cleaning up his masterpiece. It doesn't just move earth, it designs it. Caterpillar D11 Dozer. Say hello to the Caterpillar D11 Dozer, the heavyweight champion in the construction world. This machine doesn't just push dirt, it commands it. We're talking about a dozer that weighs over 100 tons, with a ripper on the back that can tear through rock like a knife through butter. Why is it such a satisfying experience to watch the D11? It's the combination of effortless control and sheer power. It's similar to watching a glacier move, slow, steady, and unstoppable, when this beast lowers its enormous blade and begins pushing a mountain of earth forward. No fumbling or jerking is present, only force, pure and purposeful. Then there's the ripper. The rock-hard ground crumbles like dry clay with a single swipe from the rear attachment. It prepares the ground, breaks up the soil, and makes room for everything else. It is changing the landscape, not just carrying out a task. Modern comfort and technology are available to operators in the D11. The blade is kept at the ideal level by GPS guidance systems, and the elevated cab offers amazing visibility. It is designed to be effective and dominate. The D11 isn't flashy, it doesn't spin or swing, but every move it makes screams authority. It's the kind of machine that gets respect on the job site just by showing up. If the construction world were a battlefield, the D11 would be the tank leading the charge. Komatsu D155AX8 Bulldozer. Next up, let's talk about the Komatsu D155AX8 Bulldozer, a true powerhouse that moves earth like no other. This beast is designed to push massive amounts of dirt, rock, and debris with ease, making it a staple on construction sites that need heavy groundwork done fast. Weighing in at around 50 tons, the D155AX8 is built for strength and endurance. What makes this bulldozer stand out isn't just raw power, it's how smoothly it handles tough terrain. Whether it's leveling a hill or clearing a path for a new road, the D155AX8's wide blade and powerful engine work in perfect harmony to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The operator's cabin is designed for comfort and visibility, so whoever's behind the controls can work long hours without fatigue. Watching a Komatsu D155AX8 in action is strangely satisfying. You see this massive machine slowly but surely reshaping the landscape, pushing everything in its path with unstoppable force. It's like watching an artist sculpt the earth, but on a colossal scale. For anyone who loves seeing heavy machinery at work, the D155AX8 is a must-see marvel. Volvo A60H Articulated Hauler. The Volvo A60H Articulated Hauler is a beast of strength and efficiency with a payload capacity of 55 metric tons, making it the largest articulated hauler Volvo makes. The secret is in the articulation. The way the front and back of the vehicle pivot independently makes it flexible enough to twist and turn through uneven ground like it's gliding. Imagine a mountain of dirt, rocks, and rubble that needs to be moved from one end of a site to another. Most vehicles would struggle, if not stall. It doesn't matter if it's sand, mud, or gravel, this machine just keeps moving. Watching it work is an oddly satisfying experience. You see this beast roll in, effortlessly load up with massive boulders or debris, and then calmly cruise off like it's just out for a Sunday drive. No revving, no strain, just smooth, calculated power. It's like the hauler knows exactly how much muscle to use, and it never overdoes it. On big construction sites, the A60H isn't just useful, it's essential. It keeps the rhythm of the project alive, constantly feeding excavators and bulldozers with space to keep working. Without machines like this, progress would come to a crawl. Watching these construction machines at work isn't just about heavy equipment, it's about witnessing progress in motion. Each machine, from the Maston-Broke CT12 trencher to the precise Volvo A60H articulated hauler, plays its part in shaping the world around us. Their strength, skill, and rhythm turn chaos into order, dirt into foundations, and plans into reality. If you've enjoyed this peek into the fascinating world of construction machines, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more satisfying and powerful videos like this. Got a favorite machine or want to see other incredible tools in action? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, behind every great structure is a great machine doing its magic. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.